Have you ever wondered how well you see the world? We often take our eyesight for granted, but the ability to perceive color is an amazing thing. Colors bring joy, excitement, and beauty to our lives. But did you know that not everyone sees colors the same way? Some people have what we call superhuman vision. They can see colors that most people can't even imagine. This amazing ability is linked to how our eyes work and how our brains process color information. Think about a rainbow. It's a beautiful spectrum of colors, right? But what if someone could see even more colors within that rainbow? That's the reality for some people. It's all thanks to the fascinating world of color perception. Are you curious about your own color vision? Let's explore the science behind it and see how you measure up. Imagine a test where you have to spot the one color that's different from the rest. Sounds easy, right? Well, it starts out that way. In fact, in the first stage of a recent eyesight test, 97% of people could easily identify the unique color. But here's where it gets tricky. As the test goes on, the color differences become much smaller and harder to see. By stage 2, only 55% of people could spot the difference. That means almost half the people got it wrong. Stage 3 gets even tougher, with only 30% of people successfully identifying the unique color. And by stage 4, a mere 8% of people could pass the test. Those are some seriously sharp eyes. This test shows us that the ability to see color varies greatly from person to person. Some people have a superpower when it comes to color vision. So what's the science behind all of this? It all comes down to special cells in our eyes called cones. These cones are located in the retina, which is like a screen at the back of your eye. Cones are responsible for detecting different wavelengths of light, which we perceive as colors. Most people have 3 types of cones: ones that detect red light, ones for green light, and ones for blue light. These 3 cone types work together to help us see the full spectrum of colors. But here's the thing. The number and sensitivity of these cones can vary from person to person. This variation explains why some people can see more subtle color differences than others. Think of it like this. Imagine your cones are like buckets collecting rainwater. Someone with more cones or more efficient cones will collect more rainwater, allowing them to detect even the slightest variations in color. Now remember those people with superhuman vision we talked about earlier? Some of them might have a condition called tetrachromacy. This means they have 4 types of cones instead of the usual 3. That extra cone allows them to see a whole range of colors that most people can't even fathom. It's like having a secret door to a world of color that's hidden from everyone else. While tetrachromacy is rare, it highlights the amazing diversity of human vision. It shows us that our perception of the world is shaped by the unique biology of our eyes and brains. So are you curious about your own color vision? There are online tests you can take to challenge your perception and see how you compare to others. Give it a try and share your results with your friends. You might be surprised by what you discover about your own eyesight.